Hi friends, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. Today's math class is an exponential equation given on the board. Is 81 raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x equal to 72. What we are required to get in this question is the value of x. Kindly watch to the end. Also subscribe to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okoli. Alright, now, solution to the question. I am given 81 raised to power x plus 9 raised to power x equal to 72. You also know with me that 81 is the same thing as 9 multiplied by 9, meaning I can write it as 9 raised to power 2, which is in index form. So this 81 now can be written as 9 raised to power 2, then multiplied by the power x, giving me 9 raised to power 2x, okay, plus 9 raised to power x equal to 72. What I want to do now, let t be equal to 9 raised to power x. But remember that if I have 9 raised to power 2x, it is the same thing as 9 raised to power x or raised to power 2. It is correct by law of indices, okay? Exponential law of indices. That means here I can write it as 9 raised to power x, then everything raised to power 2, then plus 9 raised to power x equal to 72. Now, let t be equal to 9 raised to power x. What this means is that anywhere I see 9 to the power of x, I will represent it with the letter t, okay? Therefore, I have here 9 to the power of x. I am going to replace here with the letter t. Likewise, this place, I have 9 to the power of x. And when that happens, what you see me get is t raised to the power 2 plus t, okay, is equal to 72. I can now move this 72 to the left hand side to get t raised to the power 2 plus t, then minus 72 equal to 0. If you look at it very well, you will agree with me that this is exactly quadratic equation. So I am going to use one of the methods of quadratic equation in solving for the value of t. But what the question has asked me is to find x, okay? But when I get the value of t, I will now equate it to t, since t is equal to 9 raised to power x. Once I get what t is, okay, I will place it in this position. So that value will now be equal to 9 raised to power x. That way, I can find the value of x. Please, do subscribe to my channel, Tutor Cletus Okoli. Alright? May God bless you as you do that. Now, using a method in quadratic equation called factorization method. And what it means is that I will look for two numbers I will multiply and get minus 72, negative 72. And when I add that same two numbers, it will give me plus 1, because here is plus 1t, alright? Therefore, we can try plus 9 and negative 8, because 9 multiplied by negative 8 will give me negative 72. 9 times minus 8 will give me minus 72. And when I add the 2, okay, 9 plus minus 8 will give me plus 1. That's two numbers. I'm going to use it to replace the middle, okay? That means I will have now t raised to the power 2. This time around, instead of writing plus t, I will now write plus 9t minus 8t. Then I replace back minus 72 equal to 0. What this means is that at this middle, if I do 9t minus 8t, it will still give me 1t, which is plus t, as I have it here. So nothing has changed. What I have done is what is called the process of factorizing a quadratic equation. This is how every quadratic equation is factorized. What I will do next is to put it in twos, into brackets, and then look for what is common. In the first bracket, I have t squared here, I have 9t. So t is common, leaving me with t plus 9. In the second bracket, what I have here is minus 8t minus 72. What is common in this bracket is minus 8. Why? Because minus 8 times t, okay, will give me minus 8t. And if I also put here plus 9, what is going to give me minus 8 times plus 9 will give me minus 72. You see that exactly what I have in the upper bracket. You see what I am having here if I open the bracket after factorization. Now, This times this will give me exactly this. That is when you know that the factorization is correct. If you use what you have factored outside the bracket to multiply into the bracket, if it doesn't give you the original question, then the factorization is wrong. Okay, now you will see again that the two brackets are the same. That authenticates the correctness of the factorization. Now, using what I have outside the bracket, here and here, which is t, okay, at this place I have minus 8. I form a new bracket. Taking one of these brackets, since they are the same, which is t plus 9 is equal to 0. Conventionally, when we have something like this, it means that the first bracket is equal to 0. The second bracket also is equal to 0. Therefore, I can write t minus 8 is equal to 0. From here, I can get what t is actually is. Therefore, t is equal to positive 8. Also, if I now say here from here, t plus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to negative 9. I have gotten the two values of t. And remember what I told you, that when I get what t is, the value of t, I'll come and put it here. Since t is equal to 9 raised to the power x, I'll replace that value of t here to get what is the value of x, as the question has required me to find. Yeah, subscribe to Talk Later Sokoli, and may God bless you. Alright, we move on. I have gotten t. Alright, so recall that t is equal to 9 to the power of x. Now, if I replace t to be minus plus 8, t is equal to 8, so I'm replacing t with 8. That is 8 equal to 9 raised to the power x. Okay? From here, I can find the value of x. I will also do replacing t equal to minus 9. Minus 9 equal to 9x. 9 to the power of x, please. Beg your pardon. Now, you will see here that it is positive here, okay, and it is negative here. Therefore, it is impossible. We cannot get minus 9 equal to 9 raised to the power x. That is an impossibility. So, we reject this part and then move on with this part. Alright, let's go on with what is possible. And what is possible is that 9 raised to the power x is equal to 8. The left hand side is positive, the right hand side is positive. So both of them are positive. This one also is positive. Alright, so we go with this. This is rejected. Mass is life. Okay, what then do I do? What next? I apply, okay, logarithms to both sides. That means I have the log of 9 raised to the power x equal to the log of 8. Alright? Therefore, moving x to the front, that is, if I have log x raised to the power n, it is equal to n log x, which is a log in logarithm. So, x coming to the front, have log 9 is equal to log 8. Therefore, x is equal to the log of 8 divided by the log of 9. Okay, we can apply calculator, and the log of 8 is equal to 0.90308 divided by log 9. The log of 9 will give me also 0.95424. We divide the two. 0.90308 divided by 0.95424. This is going to give me exactly x equal to 0.9463 as the final answer and the value of x. Thank you, dear friends. Do subscribe to my channel, share the video to your learning colleagues, and may God bless you.